Hello and welcome to another modelling video. This is Alan from the McConaughey at YouTube with another session to this build of the Providence. Now I've got it all snapped together and it's easily pulled apart for painting and further mods. You can see there's some tape. That is because those parts are a tad too loose. Nothing a bit of glue can't fix later. Now, what I plan to do is break it up into sections in the bag and mark off little areas with a Gundam marker how and what I'm going to do to modify it, cut some bits, add some plastic plates, drill some holes, and then have that small section, or have small sections painted at a time. Treat it like a tiny high grade per section instead of painting everything in one foul swoop. It's going to be like a whole collection of mini projects. Now going on here, we've got our Molotov liquid chrome painted with the right clear candy colour that I'm looking for, and it's pretty much the finish that I require. So I'll be using this product to colour this guy in. So we're down to these 7 sandwich bags, and we will only work per sandwich bag until it's built, modified, painted, assembled, whatnot, and then jump into the second sandwich bag as to not burn things out and whatnot. So the parts are all broken down, and using a Gundam marker I've marked areas that I want to drill, cut out, add pla plate, all sorts of things. There's a lot going on with this kit. So to remind myself, I've got all these markings. Brilliant use of one of these paint markers. And the idea is I want to have these gaps, these chinks in its armour, so you can see the armour move around, see a lot of the inner detail frame and whatnot. Sort of what a lot of the Iron-Blooded Orphan stuff looks like, where you've got armour in more strategic areas and it's thick and it's strong and it protects important aspects, and the less important aspects or articulated points are less armoured, and you've just got these larger gaps. So that's going to be put in place. We'll be using the ultrasonic cutter, the drills, and a little bit of styrene plates here and there, especially on the edges, a bit of chamfering, and that should do it. So what looks like to be very little effect on these pieces will look substantially interesting once it's all together and you put the two kits together. It'll be a contrasting difference. Thank you very much for watching. As always, until next time, stay tuned for further content. And this is my little filming area next to my work area. Check the description section for sources, links, whatnot. We put things on Facebook. And catch you guys next time. Happy to answer any questions and follow-up comments. See you later.